What's he seeing when he is out here? I thought it was a rat when I first saw it. Oh. See? There you go. Bye-bye. No, that way. That way. Oh, they're adorable. Hi. Just touch you. Hi. Today, our adventures take us 35 kilometres out of Whanganui and 12 k's past Bushy Park to the Waitahinga forest, where there are a few walking trails that we've done before and others that we haven't. So come and join us as we tick off another one that's on our bucket list. Well, it's closed on Tuesdays. Guess what today is? Change of plans. We'll be back on another day. She's got a few dogs. How adorable. I'm loving this walk. This is the old quarry. Look at you all. Drinking out of a puddle. They're getting hot and bothered. Bye dogs. This is our turn-off. Chicken run. The chicken run is one we've done before because it's a small 1 hour loop to spectacular views. It's called Chicken Run because of the hen and chicken ferns along the walk. I love it. Picnic Dell. So this must be where the loop comes back out, eh? Yay! Let's go. Still on the right track. Yay. All good? Yay. Look at that green moss. I love it. Just lovely. Oops, getting dizzy. We are so lucky living in Whanganui, where we have spectacular views of all the central North Island mountains. Today was not one of those days. You'll just have to take my word for it that Mount Taranaki is out there somewhere. Not the best day. Never mind. Stripping off. It's hot. The drive in and Ruapehu's out there. No sign. Car coming. No, can't see it. Oh, there's a goat. Look at the goat on the track, Bobby. Oh yeah, there's a truck. A red truck coming. Oh, what you found? Wellington rocks. All the way from Wellington? Oh, how lovely, and they've done such a good job of it. Well done, Wellington rocks.
Found it.
You did find it down there. Super. Good find, Beach. Okay, let's keep going then. Get back out of here. What are you saying? Oh, look, everywhere you go. What are you saying, Bobby?
Pig rutting.
Pig rutting. Digging for roots. And what would you do if you came across one said pig? Catch it and do what? What would you do with a wild pig, Bobby? You don't eat meat. Waste of time, man. Hey. Bye-bye. You can't come with us. Hey. Come on. Meet up with your buddies. There you go. Bye-bye. No, that way. That way. Ah, they're adorable. There we go. We got back down without meeting a pig. That was a pleasant as walk, wasn't it? Whoops, yes, it's a bit slippery now. I thought that. These sticky things all down my leg. You got any? Nothing. Oh, yes, you've got a few. You haven't got them on your bare hairs though this time. Okay. Back we go then. We have returned to do the Waitahinga Dam walk now, which we've been wanting to do for a while now. Our children have walked it many times, so we know that it's rather challenging, but we're keen to give it a go. Nice stick, Bobby. Croppers and dams. Where we're going? Follow the orange markings. Oh, maybe you'd better go in front again. Those cobwebs. I don't like them. Oh, there's a picnic table. Ha! These picnic tables that are found placed along the track occasionally were carried in by students from Whanganui Collegiate School.
Tom's Ridge.
Yeah, it was, wasn't it? Tom's first, and then we come back Harry. Skip Dick altogether. Let's go. Hello, little Robin. Was it a robin? Gee whiz, you're close and friendly. Hi. I can just about touch you. Hi. Oh, you sweetie. Okay, still getting cobwebs. Oh. Cobweb. Can you see it? That's what we walk through every time. Oh, we broke the seal. Sorry, Spidey. Where's that hedgehog gone? threat. Is he seeing one of you out here? Okay, better get back on track. I thought it was a rat when I first saw it. We just backtracked. I found it because we lost our markings, but here it is. It's up here, Beach. No need to panic, I found it, see? Ooh, what are those flying creatures? There's a lot of them. Land one of you and I can see what you are. I don't know what it is. Oh, can't tell. Ooh, come to a clearing. Oh, this is Cropper's Clearing. This is named Cropper's Clearing because of the crop, cannabis crop, that was found here by the Whanganui Tramping Club, who formed these tracks back in 2012 and 13. Trying to dismantle the netting surrounding the crop was a chore for them. Tom's Ridge to the dam. The Whanganui Tramping Club formed these tracks for their 60th anniversary celebrations and named 2 of the tracks after club leaders Tom and Harry, who passed away in 2011. Our first Piwaka Waka, Robert. Hello, Piwaka Waka. Got your bag on. Oh, your bag. Oh, that looks awkward, Bobbio. Have people gone this way? Yay, here we go. Ha ha. Caution, caution. Caution. Why do we have to be cautious? Huh? Uh-oh. Huh. We've lost our we've lost our markers again. We were distracted by these yellow things, so it must be this way. There it is, look. I can see it. You took a wrong turn again, bye-bye. There we go, farmland. Civilization. Oh, what's all that over there? Building. The farmer. Basil the farmer. We're slippery. Pine needle slippery. Ouch, ouch, oh, what do we got? Oh, no. We're heading off to the Waitahinga Dam, 10 minutes, and then we'll take Harry. But look! Freda has been missing since 12th of the 11th, 2020. Last seen at the Waitahinga Dam. Oh, darling, we'll have to keep an eye out. Oh, poor Freda. We can see the dam, we can see water. The first signs of it. And there's the cobwebs. I don't suppose you can see those. We're not going that way though. We're going this way. Ha ha, cobwebs. Look at this. We made it. Looks like we made it. Oh, look at that. We did make it. Oh. Wow. See? Okay, that took us 2 hours 15. Just pacing ourselves, not knowing what the track was going to be like. You've got to be the ugliest mushrooms I've seen. Look at you. You're blimmin' ugly. There it is. This Waitahinga Dam, also called the Ōkehu Dam because it's on the Ōkehu stream, was built in 1904 and was once the source of Whanganui's water supply. Well, it was used to drive turbines which sucked the water out of an underwater aquifer, which was back along Rangatautau Road closer to Bushy Park. And the dam was decommissioned in 1990. This is the stream from it. Oh yeah. There it is over there. The dam. The dam. Dam the dam, cried the phantom, as he flew into the sky. Okay, better get back up to Roberts. What did you just find, Robert? Collapsed tunnel, extremely dangerous, keep out. Where's the tunnel, man? Or maybe it's been collapsed. Ah! Okay. Bye-bye, Waitahinga Dam. You're cool. Let's go. We'll follow Harry's Ridge. Let's go. Bye, Steve and Chico. And I can't remember the other dog's name. Started with F. It wasn't Frida. She's missing. It's Frankie or something. But we think we've hit the top. It was a nice climb. It's beautiful though. I do like it. Yeah, it's a beauty. Spaghetti Flat. It was thought that this tree that was cut down may have been used in the making of fences in the area over 100 years ago. Right, let's see what Spaghetti Flat's about, eh? The Tramping Club found the worst area here on Harry's Ridge of Supplejack, which is a mass of vines entwined together, making clearing this area for the track so difficult that they named the area Spaghetti Flat. On the fence line again. That fence won't hold much in, will it? This fence was here when the Whanganui District Council purchased this block of land over 110 years ago from a Mr. Moore, who also owned Bushy Park at the time. Mr. Moore was a well-known cattle and racehorse breeder, so the fencing was probably used for grazing purposes. Are you okay? Good. I'm thinking Harry could be the fence. Fence Harry. Shall we name the fence Fence Harry? I like it. See, poor old Fence Harry. Just like the other Harry. Life has fallen over. When he went to America, eh, Prince? You nearly tripped over. Fence Harry. Is this where we part ways? Till we meet again, Harry. Wow. We did it. Have you done it again? You can't find it again? Every time he's in the lead, we get lost. Oh, you're funny, Bobby. Oh, there it is down there. I see it now. Knew there was a sign. I saw the sign. We'll go quarry car back via the pines. Where's the track? Not many people are going through the pines, probably. We lost the track. Ah, bye stick. He doesn't want you anymore. There it is. Nicely done. And now we're on the track all the way back. Hey, happy with that? Whew. We did it, Bobby. We knocked the blighter off. The one that was on our bucket list, we finally did it. Waitahinga Dam. We did it in 5 hours 50 with a lunch stop of 40 minutes, whatever it was, and taking our time, stopping for pictures, etc. How was it? Hard. I think we had an off day. I found it tough too. Whew. Didn't help with your hip going out and foot, wasn't it? You started feeling things. Shame. There we go. We did it.